The aircraft, it looks really nice, honestly, to be honest. I mean, the lighting and everything feels really good. You know. Okay, so this is where this whole trip starts from, to Dubai. And we're walking in to the plane. We're gonna board right now. And let's see what happens in there. Okay, so going in there, the interior was really nice. You know, it was pretty aesthetically pleasing, and it was very relaxing. It's a big plane, of course, it would have been relaxing. And people were boarding, and it was really fun, you know, to see all of that again. And yeah, let's go up for the takeoff now. Okay, so I've boarded the aircraft. It looks really nice, honestly, to be honest. And the lighting and everything feels really good. You know, it's Emirates, always Emirates. I always loved this airline. Similarly, I hope it's a great experience today.
Your baggage should be securely stowed in the overhead locker. If you're in a first class suite, please use the stowage area provided. In economy class, you may also use the space under the seat in front of you. The takeoff.
بعد ما تطلع الإكسبرس طبعا الرحلة استمتعوا بتوفير $15 عند شراء أي عزلين.
Okay, let's talk about it. So 20 minutes into the flight, and well, I love it. Because, you know, this is Emirates, and I mean, the bathroom this time is tiny, not gonna lie. I mean, the bathroom in the previous A380, which was from London to Dubai in 2023, August, was way bigger than this one. Now, I don't understand the concept of this here. In the video, they say they have smoke detectors in the bathroom, they have everything in the bathroom, it's prohibited, blah, blah, blah. Why is there a smoke tray here? Like, I just don't get it. Anyways, to point things out, yeah, there is a little bit more turbulence than usual today. And I don't know why, but yeah, there is a lot of turbulence today. Let's see if we're getting hot water or not. Oh yes, we are. Now that is called hot water. Okay, so the water is good. Again, it says no cigarette disposal. I don't know what the emphasis. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is shaking. Oh, okay. Whoa! Dude, what's up? Okay, well, let's put this in here. Okay. Whoa. Okay. I can't take it anymore. I think this plane's gonna fall down or something. Okay. Whoa. Dude, what is the matter with this today? I have never experienced so much turbulence ever. What the hell? Okay, so there's paper towels here, facial tissues. Wait, did I just use a facial tissue? Oh my god. Okay, let's get out. Shut it? Yeah.
So this time the plane bathroom was actually smaller, but it was really nice. And the turbulence was about to make me fall on the ground, but I was still shooting. And yeah, let me show you around the plane even more. Okay, so the food was really decent, and let me just describe the flight ahead.